How to create a 3D Shopify store in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create your very own 3D store in Shopify in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to want to be doing is you are going to need to have a sense of code. You know, how you're going to edit codes in Shopify. You don't really need to know how to code. You don't need to be professional in code. You just need to follow my steps and I'm going to walk you through it all. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Shopify as so. Now, once you're over here, what you're going to want to do is you are going to go into this section over here where it says online store. Now over here, what you're going to want to be doing is you're going to wait for things to load up. Okay. And I'm just going to wait for things real quick. And once everything loads up, it's going to bring me to the actual theme section where you can mess with your theme, customize it differently. There's different, sales channels that you can mess with and all. It's pretty basic and pretty easy stuff. So let me just wait for it to load into that. So once you're over here, it's going to show you things like this. Now, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to click on these three buttons. And from here, you're going to go into edit code. Now, in edit code, what's going to happen is you're going to get this whole coding section where you're going to see all these files. So we're not going to, mess our mind around all of these things. We're going to come down here to assets. Okay. And in assets, you're going to see all these things like video sections and all. You can also go into sections to find these things that you want, because in sections as well, like if I were to go ahead and close the assets bar, here's section, I'm going to close the assets bar. And here in section, as you can see, you see the whole video liquid and all. So what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to create a new section. You're going to write video dash background, and there's dot liquid. So you're going to click on done, and it's going to create a new liquid called video dash background. So it's going to, open it up like this. Now, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to go to GitHub. Okay. So there's a creator called Mr. Dexter's one that created a video background liquid for Shopify, and the code is right here. So I'm going to be copying this whole code, and don't worry if you don't know how to find this person on GitHub. I'm going to be showing it to you in like a second. So let me just copy this whole code. There we go. So there we go. Copy. I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste this code. Okay. And once we have pasted the code like this, here we go. You're simply going to click on save. And once you've done all this and saved this asset, now this is going to be in your section. So I'm going to exit this. Now, when it comes to finding this, you're simply going to write GitHub Mr. Dexter's one video liquid. Okay, you're just going to write that. And the first search you're going to get is video background.liquid. You're going to click on this, and this is going to be Mr. Dexter's. Okay, so yeah, that is how you're going to find this code. So once you find this code, you're going to paste it into your sections of video dash background.liquid that we created. And once you've done that, what we want to do from there is we're going to come over to customize. Okay, now here's where the customization starts going in. So once we are in customize, we're going to come here where it says add section, and we're going to click on add section. And we're going to scroll down to where it says video background. So once we've chosen video background, as you can see, it's pretty blank right now, not a lot of things to add in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it to the top like so. And in this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on video slide where it's going to say paste a link or search. Okay. So you can either search for the video or you can paste its actual link. Okay. Now the link that you're going to want to post is not a link that you can find here or there. It's going to need to be a Shopify video link. Okay. Like it can be a YouTube video or a media file video. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to go into content. You're going to go into files. Once you come to files, you're going to click on upload files. And once you click on upload files, we're going to wait for it to load up. So here I have videos. Okay. So let's say we have this video right here. I'm going to upload this video. And once this video is uploaded, you're going to copy the link of this video. Okay. So I'm just going to wait for it to upload. And once it's done uploading, I'm going to show you how you're going to copy the link, because once the objects are uploaded on the right hand side, it's going to show you how you can copy the link off. And after copying it off, you can obviously paste it in other places if you want to. So yeah, once we do this, what's going to be happening from there is you're simply going to go back to online store. And once you're going back into online store, where it said paste link or search or something like that, you're going to make sure to paste the necessary link that we copied from here into that section, okay? And that's pretty much how easy it is to get a video cover for your 3D Shopify store. But once, of course, you have gotten your 3D cover, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to want to upload 3D objects, okay? Because without uploading 3D objects, you really don't have a 3D store. So let me just finish the uploading of the video so we have an actual decent cover art to upload on our Shopify store's cover. And once we have all that from there, what we're going to do is we're going to get into the final bits of the video. So obviously, the space, the length, and how big your video is matters a lot. So if your video is like huge, then that obviously may cause some issues. It depends on all of that. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add some small snippet of a clip like I have this one. So, just make sure that the size isn't too big. Make sure that it's pretty decent sized. So when it obviously uploads, we are going to go into the other depths of the video. And sometimes it's also going to say that the file format is not supported on the trial plan. So if it does that, just get the above plan. But yeah, once you've gotten rid of that, we're going to come to products. Okay, and this is where the actual 3D modeling goes in. Okay, so to make the actual 3D modeling go in, you're going to click on add product. And once you click on add product, what's going to happen from there is down here in media, it says upload new, right? So it says it accepts images, videos, or 3D models. Now you can get separate 3D models, make sure that it's a USDZ file because USDZ format is, for universal scene description, which is basically a Blender file or something like that for your 3D formats. A USDZ file would be much better, but it could be any other 3D file as well. Like you can get free 3D models off of Google. Okay, they give you like RAR files and stuff. So you can simply go ahead and download it, even Sketchfab or TurboSquid. Just download these 3D models off of these websites, and once you download these off, basically what happens from there is you are going to upload that 3D model over here, and people will obviously be able to configure through that 3D model, interact with it, see how it works and all, that the basic stuff of how it works. So that's the general idea on how you are going to be making a 3D store on Shopify. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Please do let me know if you want to see more videos and recommendations like this, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.